Welcome back to our channel. Today we are counting down the top 7 safest motorcycles of 2025. These bikes are packed with the latest safety tech to keep you confident and protected on every ride. But safety is more than just features, it is how the bike makes you feel on the road. Number 7. Indian Scout 60. There is something timeless about the Indian Scout 60. It does not rush, it does not roar louder than necessary, it simply flows. For the seasoned rider seeking style without stress, the 2025 Scout 60 offers a peaceful kind of control. Imagine gliding through a country road, low in the saddle, arms relaxed, the road gently unwinding ahead. That is the kind of ride the Scout 60 delivers. With a 999cc liquid-cooled V-twin engine producing 85 horsepower, the Scout 60 delivers smooth power that feels predictable and easy to manage. The low seat height of just 25.6 inches and a neutral riding position make it approachable and confidence-inspiring, especially at low speeds. New for 2025, Indian has added standard traction control and cornering anti-lock braking system, ABS. This brings the Scout 60 in line with modern safety expectations. A revised cruise control system is now smoother and more responsive, ideal for long highway rides. This motorcycle is best for riders who appreciate classic design and stable, uncomplicated performance. It is a great city and weekend cruiser for those who value calm, planted control. However, it may not be the right choice for riders seeking advanced touring tech or high-speed cornering confidence. Its safety features are improved but still basic compared to others on this list. Still, the Indian Scout 60 earns its place by offering safety through simplicity. Number 6. Suzuki SV 650. The Suzuki SV 650 has always held a special place in motorcycling. It is the kind of machine that simply works. There is no pretense. Just a lightweight chassis, a friendly engine, and a feel of trust that builds mile after mile. For a senior rider returning to two wheels or a seasoned commuter looking for reliability and balance, the 2025 SV 650 speaks with quiet confidence. Powered by a 645cc V-twin engine producing 75 horsepower, the SV 650 is famous for its smooth power delivery and manageable character. The seat height is a modest 30.9 inches, allowing riders to plant both feet on the ground. Its trellis frame and light 437 pounds curb weight make low-speed handling feel natural and predictable. New for 2025, Suzuki has added cornering ABS, a significant upgrade that enhances confidence during emergency stops, especially on uneven roads. The motorcycle also now features a new rider-selectable traction control system previously unavailable on this model. The updated LCD display provides better visibility in direct sunlight and now includes real-time lean angle and tire pressure readings. The SV 650 is ideal for riders who want an affordable, lightweight, and honest motorcycle with real-world safety built in. However, it may not suit those looking for wind protection or advanced touring features. Still, the SV 650 proves that safety does not need to come wrapped in complexity. It comes with clarity and care. Number 5. Honda Rebel 1100. Some motorcycles are built to intimidate. The Honda Rebel 1100 is not one of them. It is built to empower. Whether you are returning to riding or simply craving a cruiser that combines power and peace of mind, the Rebel 1100 delivers that rare sense of control that comes from intelligent engineering. At its heart is a 1084cc parallel twin engine borrowed from the Africa Twin, producing 87 horsepower. It offers smooth linear torque and Honda's renowned ride-by-wire throttle. The low 27.5 inches seat height combined with a relaxed riding triangle gives the rider immediate confidence at a standstill or while moving through traffic. New for 2025, the Honda Rebel 1100 receives a refined 6-axis inertial measurement unit, IMU, that now powers an upgraded cornering ABS and cornering traction control system. These systems work silently in the background, adapting instantly to changes in lean angle or surface grip. The optional dual-clutch transmission DCT has also been improved, providing faster and more intuitive shifting. This motorcycle is best for riders who want cruiser comfort without sacrificing modern safety. It thrives in urban settings, backroads, and relaxed highway cruising. However, for riders seeking wind protection, large luggage options, or extended touring amenities, the Rebel may fall short. Still, the Rebel 1100 stands tall by putting technology, approachability, and safety into one sleek, blacked-out silhouette. Number 4. HarleyDavidson Road Glide. There is something reassuring about the way a Harley-Davidson Road Glide carries itself. It feels planted, poised, and unwavering, even when the highway stretches into the horizon. For riders who seek both comfort and confidence at high speeds, the 2025 Road Glide offers a sanctuary on wheels. Powered by the Milwaukee 8117 cubic-inch V-twin engine, the Road Glide delivers powerful torque and effortless highway cruising. The iconic frame-mounted shark nose fairing remains stable in crosswinds, while its wide handlebars and deep saddle provide day-long comfort. New for 2025, Harley-Davidson has equipped the Road Glide with a significantly enhanced Rider Safety Enhancements package. This includes cornering ABS, cornering traction control, drag torque slip control, and vehicle hold control, all governed by an updated 6-axis IMU. The motorcycle also now features a high-definition 12.3-inch touchscreen display with real-time tire pressure monitoring and adaptive navigation. This motorcycle is best suited for long-distance riders who value luxury, presence, and peace of mind. The Road Glide delivers a stable, composed ride that can handle cross-country travel with both power and grace. However, it may not be the best choice for riders seeking a lighter, more maneuverable machine for city or weekend use. At over 850 pounds, it demands experience and space. Still, the Road Glide remains a fortress of safety, comfort, and confidence, wrapped in chrome and American steel. Number 3. Honda NC750X. The Honda NC750X is the kind of motorcycle that earns your trust within the first mile. It does not try to impress with flashy power or aggressive angles. Instead, it invites you into a riding experience that feels thoughtful, secure, and balanced. For the senior rider seeking control, comfort, and confidence, the 2025 NC750X delivers an ideal formula. Its 745cc parallel twin engine produces a calm and linear 58 horsepower, perfectly matched to real-world riding. With a low 31.5 inches seat height and a low center of gravity, the NC750X feels composed even at walking speeds. The unique underseat fuel tank improves stability, while the integrated front storage compartment adds practical convenience. New for 2025, Honda has enhanced the selectable torque control traction control system with smoother intervention at low speeds. The dual clutch transmission DCT has also been refined for crisper downshifts and more intuitive gear mapping. Additionally, the motorcycle now comes with cornering ABS supported by a lightweight 5-axis IMU, offering enhanced braking stability through curves and under pressure. This motorcycle is best suited for riders who value practicality, low operating costs, and advanced safety without sacrificing comfort. It is ideal for commuting, weekend touring, and even light adventure routes. However, riders seeking high-speed excitement or premium touring amenities may find it too modest. Still, the NC750X proves that safety and simplicity can be beautifully combined into one intelligent and approachable machine. Number 2. Yamaha Tracer 9 GT Plus. The Yamaha Tracer 9 GT Plus does not just move, it thinks. For riders who want to explore the unknown with the assurance of cutting-edge safety, the 2025 Tracer 9 GT Plus is a true guardian on the road. It brings together performance, intelligence, and rider-centered innovation like few others in its class. At its core is an 890cc inline triple engine producing 119 horsepower. It is smooth, responsive, and eager to perform, yet always composed. The upright riding position, electronically adjustable suspension, and excellent wind protection provide all-day comfort. New for 2025, Yamaha has upgraded the radar-linked adaptive cruise control, now more responsive in urban traffic. It also features a refined forward collision warning system, enhanced unified brake system, and a recalibrated 6-axis IMU for faster data processing. The 7-inch TFT display now includes voice control and full smartphone connectivity, improving both convenience and rider focus. This motorcycle is best for touring enthusiasts who want long-range comfort with unmatched situational awareness. It is an excellent choice for riders who value high-tech safety on twisty roads and highways alike. However, riders preferring traditional controls or minimalist setups may find the electronics too involved. Still, the Tracer 9 GT Plus makes no compromises. It simply protects, informs, and inspires every mile of the way. Number 1. Honda Goldwing. The Honda Goldwing has never just been a motorcycle, it has always been a promise. A promise of smooth roads, thoughtful engineering, and absolute peace of mind. In 2025, that promise is stronger than ever. For riders who value safety, comfort, and sophistication, the Goldwing is in a class of its own. Powered by a 1833 cc six-cylinder engine producing 125 horsepower, the Goldwing glides rather than roars. Its low center of gravity, premium suspension, and electronically controlled ride modes make every ride feel effortlessly controlled. New for 2025, Honda has introduced an advanced radar-assisted blind spot detection system and cross-traffic alert, making highway travel significantly safer. The updated 7-inch TFT display now supports real-time weather alerts, route hazard notifications, and a voice-activated digital assistant. Additionally, Honda has enhanced its airbag deployment system, a unique feature among motorcycles with faster response calibration. This motorcycle is best suited for long-distance touring riders who want the ultimate combination of luxury, technology, and confidence. It is ideal for couples, cross-country dreamers, and seasoned riders who demand the best in every category. However, it may not suit those who prefer lighter, more agile motorcycles for daily city use. Still, in the world of safe touring motorcycles, the Goldwing remains the gold standard, quietly leading with grace and purpose. Thanks for watching our countdown of the safest motorcycles of 2025. Remember, the best bike is the one that keeps you safe and confident. If you like this video, please like and subscribe.